Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is August the 31st. It's Wednesday morning and we're looking at the ES futures. That's the E-mini S&P 500 futures, guys. This is the market I pretty much trade each and every day. It's my go-to market. And this is my live recorded session. I'll be trading the market on this Wednesday morning, the last day of the month before we start into the month of September. Before we get started, it is currently my time. Roughly, it's about 10:18 right now, so I'm a little late trading. But you guys know that the ones that follow the channel know that I typically wait about 20 to 25 minutes after the market's open before I start doing any trading. So before I get started, I always like to thank everyone who follows the channel, everyone who subscribed, everyone who has taken the time to watch the videos and continuously watch the videos. Thank you for doing so. Please, everyone, if you haven't done so, please make sure to click on that little bell icon next to the subscription button or the subscribe button, because I do get comments from time to time, people asking or stating that they don't receive or notifications when I post a new video. That's because you have to make sure to click on that little bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that you never miss one of the uploads. Once I upload, you will receive an alert, maybe to your email, mobile device, however you have it set up to receive your alerts, whatever the case is, on new videos that I post to the channel. So thanks everyone who subscribed. If you're a newcomer and you are watching the channel, today's video for the first time, thank you. Spend some time, if you don't mind, watching the video. I provide a lot of valuable content here on the channel, and you can watch me live. It's my live recorded session, so you can watch me trade and use basically a simple strategy. I trade using, surrounding supply and demand. I trade supply and demand pretty much. I don't do kind of break and retest, support and resistance type trades. So I like to see price move back into the deeper portion of the swing where I want to catch the move where it started at pretty much. So, price is on the move, then it pulls back to an area where there's either aggressive buying or selling. So those are areas I like to trade within. But the thing about trading is that whatever works for you works for you, and if you're consistent and you're profitable doing so, stick with it, okay? So if you're a newcomer to the channel, thank you for watching, however you came across the channel, and hopefully we can gain you as a loyal subscriber. So I'll give you guys a few seconds to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I have about 300 videos on the channel, maybe a little bit over 300 now. A lot of them are content-based topics that I talk about, or topics packed with lots of content that I talk about surrounding trading, as well as I have loads and loads of videos on here, my live recorded sessions where you can watch me trade as well. So thank you for joining and watching the video. So hopefully by now you've already clicked on that subscription button, and make sure to click on the bell as well, the little bell icon. Outside of that, we have the Discord community. So if you're interested in joining the Discord, it is a community filled with traders, that pretty much trade the future markets, and we get on each morning. And it doesn't have to be in the mornings. It doesn't have to be in the morning time either, because you may be somewhere else at a different time zone across the globe, whatever the case is. You may have a certain question that you want to throw out to the group. But each morning, primarily what we do is, we have traders on there, myself, we all interact with one another, talk about the markets, talk about certain strategies or levels and zones that we're looking to trade, and basically kind of helps other traders out. So if you're interested in joining the community, the Discord community, I'll show you what it looks like. We have, I think, over 260 members now on the community, so we're just rocking and rolling this morning. And but yeah, it's a great community. If you're willing to join, if you want to join, it's free of charge. Look down in the description portion of this video here and click on the link that's down there for the Discord. Invite yourself in, and like I said, it's free of charge, and come be part of the group. So also, let's see what else. That is pretty much it. Let's see. If you're interested in, I also have the membership program through YouTube. It's a tier-based program. There's 2 tiers that you can join there. If you're interested in getting behind-the-scene access to my trade breakdowns, you can join the Elite Channel membership tier, which is like for the price of a cup of coffee, $6.99 a month. I pretty much go into detail on my trades, so that's only offered to those who join that tier, the Elite Channel member. Like I said, it's valuable. You're getting a lot more of them for way more, value out of it than what is actually, what the fee is, $6.99. So I actually walk you through and my trade breakdowns and discuss my trades, whatever the case is. So time is money, and it takes time to do things. And I make these videos here, and then I have to make more videos, not to trade. I have a lot of things going on in my life, guys. So I don't mind breaking down my trade entries and talking about my trades. So it gives you an inside view of my thought process and the full explanation of the breakdown of my trades. So if you're interested in joining, all you have to do is click on the join button on the home page of the channel here, or on any video. You can find the join button, click on it, choose one of the tiers. Like I said, with the Elite Channel Member tier, you do get the exclusive video content where I walk you through my trade breakdown. So let's go ahead and jump into today's session, because I am late and the market kind of opened up in, I believe, this area right here. Looking at the market from my view, we have been making lower lows and lower highs. I've said that several days now, and we're bounced, come down here to an area of demand sitting down here. Price is rejected at a few times here, but right where this red line is. Now this is off a 60 range chart. This is the chart that I use for a higher time frame. Price broke up, made a high here, so it's kind of just chopping sideways right now if you look at the 60 range. So kind of be careful, because we are ranging. Even on the higher time frame, you can see it more clear. And so sometimes in situations like this, I look for opportunities to where I'll scale down on my lower time frame chart to find entries. If price comes back down to this area where it's at, this, because it's in a zone right now. So if I was to mark this zone off and show you, and then I want to go ahead and start getting, look at the market as well. So, it's tapped in here, rejected, pushed up. So actually it came down a little lower. You can see it tapped to this area down here as well. So we can actually, move this rectangle. Well, if I can grab it down to this area right here. Okay, more so because the price did come down to this area. All right, and okay, we'll drag it out. So it hit this area once, twice. It did break it and push a little lower here, making a low here. Rejected this area again. You can see, and then it pushed up, made a high, higher low, and a high here, taking out resistance right here, taking out structure. So, and all in honesty, you could actually look for a pullback right here. There was an entry, part of rejection right here. That's probably been a great move to take right here. Now, I'm not saying take it off a 60 range chart. I'm just saying what I do is once I see price pulling back to an area, in this case here, this is an area demand off the 60, okay? Price pulls to an area demand. It's already tapped into an area demand. It breaks up, breaks structure, pulls back to an area demand right here, and then you look for the entry on your lower time frame chart. So now we're back down to the same area again. Will price reject it again? We'll see, because price rejected it once, twice, and now it's hitting it again. So let's go to our lower time frame and take a look to see what we actually see what the market is actually doing. So this is that same area right here where that red line is I was talking about. That's that demand zone off of the 60 range chart. So let's say the price rejects this area. On the 4 range, you can see it's rejected it like a lot. There's lots of opportunities, or lots of times where it's rejected it. So let's see. Okay, let me see. So yeah, price could come back down to this area. This was, let me blow the 60 range up a little bit. Price just, here's the area demand, another area demand off the 60 range. Price tests it, rejects it. It must have been somewhere. This is the area right here in the 12 range. Price pulls back right here, okay, and then possibly take an entry long here. So now price is coming back to this area here, which is right. Let's see, here and here. Yeah, so we tested this area right here, this little small area demand once, twice. Now we're doing it 3 times. So price is back at the VPOT. And looking at the market right now, yeah, we're actually we're actually in a wedge right now. A lot of you guys can't see that. We made a high up here, pulled back, haven't broken this high, which is structure right here, this area of resistance, and haven't taken out the support. So the market is actually in a wedge. If you can notice this and take a look at it right now, we're wedging. All right. So now my style of trading may not be for you the way I actually trade, but my style is simplistic and it works for me. All right, so price is broken lower here. We're still hitting that area. We're hitting this area of Like I said, this area of demand here, you can see it off the 60 range chart. Look at prices. Price a little volatile right now. It's definitely volatile. So price is just following the structure here. Looking at market, we're following price action really. I mean, but you see the market structure here. We got a high here, low. So similar high here, price moving sideways in this area, pulls back. This is that area of demand right here off of the 60 range I was talking about. It's right here in this area right here, okay? And price keeps tapping it. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so this was not an opportunity to go long here because price made a lower high right here. So price is still pushing lower. I'm going short just to scalp this area real quick. I'm probably late on my trade. Yeah, I'm very late. 85 3/4. Yeah, I'm late. Whoops. Hopefully it comes back down. Give me a second. Okay, I got filled there. Quick scalp. Just right back down to the low right here. All right. I got into the trade late actually. The entry was up here. I missed it. So I was looking to take it back down to this area right here. So that's all right. Got into the trade late. Today's the 31st. Okay. Be careful though because price is bumping up against an area of demand off of the 60 range right here. But we did not, when price pulled right back right here, you know, around 7 or maybe it was 5 something this morning. Let's see. 5 something this morning, right down here at 80, which is right here. Okay. Price pushed up, but it has not taken out more structure, meaning breaking through structure, this area of resistance to the upside. We're moving sideways right now, so be very careful because price could continue pushing lower. See that? Price could continue pushing lower. And right now we're trading inside of yesterday's trading range. We have not broken any highs or lows, so we're trading inside. This was yesterday's trading range, and you see it, we're moving sideways right here. Okay, even though price did overnight in the overnight session make a high here, a higher low. We haven't broke, we haven't broke this high here, nor have we broke this low here. So we're wedging, and we haven't broke any areas of high here or low down here. So we're still trading inside of yesterday's trading range. Okay. All right, let's see. Came back down to the area, like I said, the area to, major areas support off of the higher time frame, and price is rejecting it. But just be careful though. Be careful. Could keep pushing higher, but we are at the low of today. It came down and tested the lows of today. And you can see that dash line right there. That's the low for today. But we got the VPOC, the daily VPOC sitting right above us. So I'm going to be quite careful here. Going long real quick. Quick scalp. There we go. Come on. There we go. Got feel. Just taking it back up to this area right here. All right. Trying to pay attention to see what price is doing here. Looks like it wants to break structure now to the downside. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to hold off right now. Hold off. We are back down to the lows of today. And things are kind of getting tight in this area here, kind of congested. Yeah, we're definitely ranging. Inside range day, trading sideways in a wedge. This is definitely possible. You can trade days like this. You just have to really pay attention and price action. It gets a little tough when we're in a wedge trying to trade, because you're stuck in between a high and a low. You know, a high here and a low here, and price is just zipping or moving sideways in that area. You know, building volume in one area, one congested area. So just be careful. Yep, looks like price is moving to the upside. Trying to move up to the upside. We're still, you know, moving sideways in this area here, wedging. Opportunity is you can look for shorts, you know, above this area here, or up in this area here. You know, that's short, and it's opportunities to short anywhere in this area, guys, to be honest with you. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take a short now. Coming back down to the lows here. Let's see if I can possibly get in on this trade here. Back down to pretty much the VPOC. Yeah, I'm gonna be careful here on this trade. Come on. Come on, baby. There we go. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. All right, so I got fill there. Taking a short at the top here. At this high right here. So, okay. And just quickly scalping today. I'm up 22 ticks right now. All right, let's see. All right, let's see. Okay. Trying to interact with Discord as well. I just saw one of the members on the Discord, Arn. Arn, I appreciate the comment, man. I really do. I'm just trying my best to give people, you know, the information that I know, and they don't have to follow. You know, they don't have to use the same strategy you use and trade what works for you, right? But for all those that are, you know, have been trying to understand the way I trade and have come out to be, you know, it's working for you and you become successful, and you know, you start to see it more and more. Congratulations to you. I'm really starting to see and want to see people become profitable. And I appreciate that comment in today's on the Discord. Arn says it's not complicated. Just learn and follow Mike, and you will be profitable. Appreciate that, Arn. I really do. I say that in a lot of my videos. It's not a hard thing to learn. It's not. My strategy is simple. I scout, but you know, it all adds up, right? You know, it depends. You know, sometimes I get bigger moves, sometimes the moves aren't as big. But with the strategy and how I trade is, even in small areas, you can still profit. Get into a trade, scout for a few ticks or even for a few points, it depending on the time frame of what you know, the charts you're pairing up together. But yeah, I'm glad to see people and hear people talk about on Discord, you know, how things are working for them, and you know, just continue putting the work in, guys. Just really strive, watch the videos, you know, and I just want to see people become successful. That's all. So I appreciate it, Arn. I'll say that again. And he's one of our elite channel members, and I'm sure he has learned a lot by joining the elite channel membership with the trade breakdowns and spending time watching the videos that I post. So I appreciate it. Yeah, let's see. Price projected this area here at the top of this high volume area, push lower. We got the VPOC. We're so close to the VPOC, so you gotta be careful and how you trade with the VPOC being so close. You know. Yeah, I think the market's going to drive lower. I'll be honest with you. I think we possibly could get a run back down here to the downside. I think the market is trying to push lower. I really do. We'll see though, because we're so close to the VPOC. I mean, it's tough to call things when price is ranging like this. Definitely trading on the inside day. It's a little difficult. This is a tough price action. Price isn't making runs, you know, making higher highs and higher lows like up or down, or, you know, higher highs, higher lows pushing up, or breaking through levels to the downside, making lower lows and lower highs. Just an inside day trading, and we're in a range today. So let's just wait it out. Come on, baby. Not ready, huh? Let's see. When we get back down here, we're back down to this area of support again, and price moves sideways here. So, we'll see. All right, I'm out. Okay. All right, I'm out. I know it's looking forward to come possibly down here back down to the lows. So, all right. Yeah, price may come back to the lows. That's the high. We have this. Then we have a low here. Price moving sideways. Price will trace back. You can look for opportunities to go short on the pullbacks. To go short, possibly taking it back down to the lows. Okay, so let me see here. I am up right now. I'm up 42 ticks right now. I was just looking back. I noticed that the last trade I took there on the move to the downside here, it didn't record for some reason. I must have didn't. I thought I had the recording. I thought I had pressed the record button, and evidently I must clicked on it, and for some reason it didn't engage. But anyways, what was that I got in at? Let's see. I got in pretty much when price broke here to the downside, pull back, reject this area. That was, you know, pretty much my entry to go short. So I picked up. Let me see how many ticks I picked up there. Let's see. 20 ticks right there. Picked up 20 ticks on that trade there. So I think it was 20 ticks. Give me 1 second. Yeah, 20 ticks. Okay. 20 ticks on that trade. So I'm up 42 right now. All right. Price is back down here to this area here. This area support. But, you know, we keep bouncing around. We're ranging here. So could it reject again? Yeah, it could reject again. So we'll wait and see. This was a little long from out here from the bottom. If you could have caught it. No, I wouldn't have taken that though. It's too close. Okay. All right. So I'm going to hold tight right now and just wait to see what price is going to do, because we're back down here to this area of support. And then right below us, you know, this is support right here. And then right down below us is more support on the higher time frame in 60 range. Okay. So we just have to wait it out. Be careful. Okay. Let's see here. Let's see. Blow the 12 range chart up. It's getting so congested. It's getting a little difficult to see. Okay, so we got a break here. We got a break of structure right here. Hold on a minute, 1 second. Let me see. Okay, so let's see. Price could reject in this area here, or it could reject in this area here. Where's it? Back up in this area up here. So let's see. Switch over to my full range. Kind of see what we get here. Yeah. Going short. Going short for a quick scalp here, guys. Just probably down to 75. Yeah, if we can get it. quick little scalp, micro scalp. If we can get it here to the downside. Let's see. Maybe. Hopefully we get it. There we go. Got filled. All right. Okay. Quick little scalp. Pull back here. Take it back down to the low. Some guys are scared. A lot of people don't know how to trade the 4 range. It is fast moving. But I use it. I pair it with my 12 range, and I could take it. I've done this for years. I've been trading for 10 plus years, and I know how to trade, these 2 pair charts together. So, it takes time. It takes time and experience and a certain skill set to be able to, trade certain charts. Especially people kind of tend to shy away from, say, like, this 4 range chart here. Yeah, it's a beast. It's not something that you can just learn to trade overnight. But I use it because I can scalp off of it real quick. And I saw price pull back here on the 12. I looked up my 4 range, saw the rejection right here, kind of like a little M structure. I was looking to take it right back down to 75. Simple as that. So that little scalp right there, 2 contracts in. Now it's allowed me to pick up additional 7 little ticks there. So I'm up 49 ticks. I'm almost at 50 ticks today. So we'll see. And I believe Arn had said that he was up 70 ticks today and off his trade performance. And that's great. I mean, you're able to scalp this way and make money, whether you're scalping for 6 to 8 ticks, or whether you're scalping for 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 points. It doesn't matter. So it really has to do with a lot with your pair of charts and really what you see. I learned to trade what I see. Somebody told me that a long time ago. Trade what you see. Trade what makes sense. Trade based on your strategy and stick with that. And I've been consistent with that. So it's worked for me day in and day out and allowed me to be profitable. So I guess some people may not be able to grasp or understand someone else's strategy. So, you have to learn and stick with your strategy and trade your strategy. And don't bash anybody else's strategy. If it works for them, it works for them. If your strategy works for you, then it works for you. So trade your strategy and be consistent trading it. So there we go again, rejecting off the lows down here again today. Well, actually broke the lows. We're rejecting off of yesterday's trading lows. You can see it here on the close to yesterday's trading lows, right here, down here at the bottom. So still trading within inside yesterday's trading range. Let me see here. We actually broke outside of this wedge now, made these lows down here. So, and price could reject this area here where it's at, but we have support right below us, so be careful. Okay. Yep. Okay. So, let's see here. Yeah. I think price may try to push a little lower here. Let's see. It's projecting this area here. Yeah, I'm not going to take a short yet. I'll go short. I think I'm a little late on it. There was a short though, but I'm not going to take it at the tail end of it. Price is struggling to break this area here. I think it's going to come down lower. I just don't want to take that trade. I don't want to short the tail. I'm going short though. I'm going to take a little risk here. I do think it's going to come down a little lower. There we go. Got filled there. Okay. Don't recommend that one though. It was a short, but I'm taking it down here towards the the low, an area where price could actually bounce and reject, or at least pause at and then pull back. So try to take the trade from the upper end, meaning when it broke here, look for price to pull back to go short. Don't take it right back down here at the end of at a low. So, okay, we'll keep scalping to see what happens. Keep trading, keep trading. So I picked up 9 ticks right there. So I got a total of 58 ticks right now. All right, let's see what's going on here. Let's see what's going on. And actually, price could come back down to this area where it's at down here. And let's see. Yep, we can reject and break higher here. I think I'm gonna go. Let's make it. Oh man, I got my 4 contracts. I did not mean to do that. Man. All right, guys. I'm gonna take out 2 here, 1 there, and 1 maybe a little higher here. Let's say 82 3/4. Maybe up here. I'll bring it down. I'm coming to 82 with it. Come on, baby. Actually, a little lower than that. I'm gonna let it run. Come on, come on. I know it's gonna pull back. All right. No. I don't want to do that. I'm gonna take out, guys. Come on. All right. I know it's back up here where it can reject it, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out. I got in with way too many contracts. I typically don't trade that many contracts at all, but I actually double clicked too quick on my dome and entered with 2 sets of 2 contracts. Yep, and it came up to where I first put where I put my last contract at. I got in with, like I said, too many contracts. I like this. I'm comfortable with 2 contracts, maybe 3. I mean, I have the size funding account. It doesn't have anything to do with that. It's just that I have a certain trading plan that I want to stick with, and it's just all about building your account up. I mean, my account's I'm not worrying about the count. It's not that at all. It's just when you're comfortable trading a certain amount, a certain lot size, you just kind of I'm consistent, guys, when it comes to trading and my trading plan. I like to stick with things that work for me, and I don't like to deviate. I'm not a risk taker, so 2 contracts, maybe 3 is the most for me. But like I said, I clicked too many times on my dome, which typically does not happen, but that's fine. Okay, I was still able to profit, but I saw price. If you look at market structure and what's been going on today, yes, of course, we're trading inside yesterday's trading range. And yes, we were trading for probably the first hour and 20 minutes or so into the market within a wedge, maybe a little longer than that. First, hour and a half in a wedge here, and then eventually price broke down. So meaning it broke lower. So what did it do? It came from a high, made a low, pulled back just to break lower. So we had a swing to the downside, okay? And it was breaking structure when it first came down here. This was just a pullback to push lower. But you couldn't see that at first, though, because when it made this low here, we had this high here, this low here, this pullback looked like a lower high. Okay, it looked like it was setting itself up to the downside, but it could be pushing this way. It could have been moving to the upside here, meaning a high here, a higher low here, and then making a higher high. But when price is ranging like this, you really don't know if it's going to break this low, if it's going to break the high, But in this case here, it broke support here, broke down, made a new low, and came down here and tested these areas of support. Yesterday's low of day, pretty much in that area, and rejecting off of it. So we're at a significant area of support, and price is bouncing. So when I saw that, and then price pushed lower, what did it do? It turned back around, okay? It turned back around and did what? It started pushing back up. It started pushing back up, breaking through structure right here, pull back. I saw that, and it was already hitting in the area of support, okay, from prior day. Okay, then it broke structure, look for the pullback to go long, all right? So it didn't break any structure coming back down to the downside. So when I saw that and price came back down to this area here, this is demand sitting right here, okay? This is demand sitting right here. Price broke up, it broke structure, it pulled back. This is demand. Go long. Take it back to the tops here, and that's what I did. I just entered way too many contracts. That was my problem. Okay, so now it's continuing to break higher, breaking into, let's see. Okay, so it's breaking back into this swing right here, pretty much this swing to the downside. So yes, price could let's see. I would look for maybe something to possibly maybe up in this area. I'm looking up here above this high volume area right here for something maybe. So let me take a look at this again before I stick my foot in my mouth. Yeah, probably something in this area up here. This zone up here. Okay. Yeah, possibly because when price go down, middle low here. This is this right here is a supporting swing right here, coming out of this bigger swing to the downside. So it looks something like this. I'll show you. Price made a low here, lower high, broke and made a low here, right? But within this swing here, we have a swing to the downside, pull back, and then a supporting swing. So this is a swing within the bigger swing, okay? All right, a lot of you guys probably already know about those type things. So prices bounce, oops. Prices bouncing here at 90. Let's see what it does. It actually broke, took out this area down here, so maybe push up. All right, so now actually what we can see here now, to be quite honest with you, let's see. Long, quick scalp long, quick scalp long. Come on, feel it. Come on, baby. I'm looking for a quick scalp long, guys. Make sure this. Maybe I need to put my take a little bit less profit here. A few ticks here. Just scalping, okay? Right back up to this area. Didn't get the break to the upside yet, so I'm a little early on this trade. Come on. I know it wants to break up and give me this. I'm early though, it's rotating right here. Sign of a little rejection. It could push lower. It didn't give me the full-on rejection yet, breaking above here, so I'm gonna hold it right here. Should get filled. 2 contracts. I know you want to give it to me. Go ahead, push up. There you go. See? I know what's going to happen. All right, just have a little confidence in yourself and your trades, and everything else will pan out. All right, that probably wasn't much there, but you know, a few ticks is a few ticks, right? Okay, so let's see. I'm maybe done for the day. That last trade was a decent move for me, so well, decent trade there, especially trading with 4 contracts. So let's see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be done, guys. I got a total of 88 trades, 88 ticks for today. 88 trades, 88 ticks today. So I think I'm gonna call it. Oh yeah, it's almost 11. It's almost 12 o'clock too, so Eastern time. So I'm gonna be done for today, guys. I appreciate everyone tuning in, watching the video today. If you're trading, please be safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.